Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashion Fables, where we bring you the best beauty tips and tricks the enough your neutral glow. Today we are diving in the topic that we are women loves. So grab your favorite mascara and let's get started on the journey of beauty filter lashes. But before we jump in the secrets, if you are immense, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell notification bell so you never miss all this your fabulous beauty content. Alright, let's start it with the basic. Just like a house needs a strong foundation, beautiful lashes need a healthy basic. That means keeping your lashes clean and monetized. A gentle lashes cleaners and a hydrated serum can do wonders for maintaining. Do you know that what you eat role in the health of your self lashes? Foods rich in vitamins, minerals and proteins such as salmon, eggs and almonds. These neutral proteins lash growth and strength from the inside out. Now let's talk about the detective lash care routines. Just like your skin, your lashes needs some love too. A nightly routine of remaining your makeup using a mascara, serum and avoiding washing or rubbing can make a significant difference in the long run. Time the dive in the world of mascara. Choosing the right mascara can transform your lashes. Look for monetize formulas and don't forget to curl your lashes before applying the that extra lift. We got a mascara in the description below, so be sure to check the out. For this special occasions, when the want that extra viva warm, fast lashes or extension can be game changer. Whether you top of split lashes, just remembering to choose stylish that complement your shape and maintain them properly to avoid and damage. Another fabulous option for your neutral lashes is a lashes lift. It's like a frame of your lashes, giving them a beautiful curl that lasts 2 weeks. It's a low, it's a low maintenance way to achieve the width look without the daily heels and curling. And there you have it, the unlimited guide the achieving beautiful eyelashes. Remember, beauty is not just about but also about self and confidence. Your unique beauty and let this